All right. Good evening. Good evening. It's a beautiful, calm, cool, refreshing evening today. It's it's been raining almost the entire week. Uh, it's been raining the entire day today. Even right now, it's still drizzling. But if you've watched my videos for a while, you remember this spot. The last time I came around, this is where I ended. But today, I'm going to attempt to push it further. I'm trying to see if I can cut across and connect to the highway that comes from Rosario back to Floodway. So I don't know if it's this way or that way, but I'm gonna have to ask. So if you're watching me on Facebook, please like and follow the page, leave a comment. Likewise on YouTube. If you want to find me on YouTube, it's the same as the POV guy on YouTube and POV guy PH on Facebook. So please follow me on this adventure. Let's see how far this can go. The adventure today is to see if we can connect through here out into the highway, floodway. So I'm gonna have to ask somebody who knows the road, who knows the environment, to see if this is a possibility. So let's walk down this way and see. I think the best people to ask for direction from is the trikes or the tricycle guys. Hopefully they should be able to give me directions or tell me if that is even possible. And if it's not a possibility, we make our way back home. Whatever the case, we're out and we're exploring. We're discovering the neighborhoods to see how beautiful it is. So it says here, welcome to Mabuhay subdivision. So we're making an entrance into a different subdivision. Now whether or not this leads us to our goal, we would have to find out by asking. It's a pretty decent neighborhood. Hello.
Hey.
How are you guys?
Hey.
The road doesn't look like it leads to anywhere out of this barangay or subdivision, but let's find out. Hello. Hi, good evening.
Sir,
Uh,
what problem,
this
sir?
this road, I wanted to find out this one. Does it go to Floodway?
Yes, yes.
So if I go like this, I can walk, or it's too far? If I go like this, if I follow this road,
East Bank Road yan, sir.
East Bank Road,
Oo.
is it far to get to East Bank Road? Like
Sasakay ba kayo?
how many minutes estimated?
Depende lang.
Okay, because I'm trying to walk.
Oh, pwede.
Just walk to the road. All right. Okay, thank you. All right. Let's trust in in his wisdom. I hope I don't get missing or go too far. and get tired to not be able to get back home. All right, Santa Lucia Bliss. So, hello. Oh, wow. It is not as far as I thought. This is not as far as I thought. That is the East Bank Road already right in front of me. Now I might have to do this video again in reverse. I wasn't expecting it to be this close. Oh my god. I honestly thought that this would be like an hour or so, or 30 minutes at least walking for me to get to the East Bank Road or the highway here. But here we are. What? Now just from the noise you can tell already we are out on the highway. So let me stand here and film a little. So this is the East Bank Road that goes right down into Taytay, Angono, Laguna, no, Binangonan and the rest. Now it's called the East Bank Road because just across the road is the Pasig River. So look across there, you see the bridge. And then this way you go into the city, you go into Eastwood, Bridgetown, Ortigas and the rest. Alright, so like I said, I wasn't expecting this walk or this adventure to end that soon. I can decide and go down like this and return home, or I can go back in through Santa Lucia Bliss back home, which I think I'll prefer to go back this way, and I show you more of this subdivision. Alright, now we're going back in reverse. We're rediscovering. And this is just because I didn't film much because I was expecting the walk to be a little longer, but it turns out I was closer to the main highway than I expected. See, that's a good thing about exploring, getting to know places so you can't get lost. So yeah, this beautiful neighborhood is in Pasig City. Santa Lucia. This is the multi-purpose hall. So usually it's called the city hall or the barangay hall. But this one doesn't look like the barangay hall. Yeah. Alright. So we make our way back into Mabuhay subdivision. Alright. So places are cool. Temperatures are down. People are getting home from work. Kids are coming back from school. Life is back to normal. Oof, my hand hurt. Well organized communities, most of which have gates at the entrance and they have security. So you are clearly informed by a very visible tall gate or entrance that says welcome to Mabuhay subdivision. That lets you know you're stepping into some place new. I thought that from here till I reach the East Bank Road will take me at least 30 minutes. And as you can see, it was less than 5. Alright. Let's head back home. There you go. So officially on this part of the city or on this part of the town, I think I've crisscrossed it a few times. So watch out for the next adventure. I'm gonna be taking you to a completely different area. And we get to discover new places and new people and share new experiences. Now follow me, subscribe, talk to me in the comments. Let me know if you're enjoying the videos. If not, leave a word of encouragement. Thank you for being part of this, and see you again in the next one.